Hello, my friends. This is Hilary, your mortgage coach. Today, I'm going to talk about how to purchase or determine where to purchase a rental property. So this is specifically for the clients who want to do an investment. And the first thing that I would advise my clients is first of all, you have to analyze the market. So the market will determine whether you are buying a property in an appreciating environment, or it is in a cash flow environment, or it is in a place where it's declining. So as an investor, you want to make sure that you're buying the right property. You're buying a property that is going to possibly appreciate in value and also give you more return in terms of a good rental income. So the first thing is the research that you have to do would include, let's say, for example, the price of the houses in the neighborhood. You also want to know how much rent you are going to get, and also you want to you want to talk to investors who are already in the market for you to understand the dynamics. What is the tenant profile within that area? Are there many jobs or not? And are there property managers who can take care of the property in your absence? And then after you analyze the market, the second thing is you need to get a pre-approval. So you come to us and you say, you know what, I have determined that I want to purchase a house in this neighborhood, and I know that the price ranges of the houses in this area is maybe between 300 and 400,000. We are going to look at your financial situation and pre-qualify you. Once you're pre-qualified, then with that, you can go and meet a realtor. And our advice is you should use an investor-focused realtors. We have a network of investor-focused realtors, and we are happy to recommend them for you. These are people we have worked with. These are people who have helped us purchase investment properties, and therefore you're not getting information from people who have not experienced. Make sure that all the information that you are getting is from people who have gone through the process. Now, the third thing is you have to make sure that you learn how to analyze a rental property. You have to know how to calculate return or your returns on investment, and also you have to understand how to calculate your cash on cash return. So this is very important because as an investor, you're making an investment in so that you can get a return, and this return is what is going to give you financial freedom when the time comes. So once you have done the analysis, you know how to analyze the properties, then you can go shop for the property. And part of the shopping is getting a good realtor, as I mentioned, and the realtor would hopefully give you various options, various houses that you can look at, and the realtor would also tell you what type of expectations in terms of rent, in terms of the tenant quality that you would get, especially if the realtor is a specialist in the area. My advice has always been use a local realtor, a realtor who understands the environment, who also owns property within that locality. once you have shopped for these properties, you analyze again. So make sure due diligence, analyze the properties, make sure that the numbers work for you, make sure that you're having the returns that you are looking for. And then once you identify the right property, you put in an offer. And the offer has the price and the conditions, and you also need to do your due diligence. Part of it is having an inspector go through the property to look at any deficiencies. The other things that you need to know is that you have to identify a lawyer who is going to assist you to close the property. You also have to have an insurance agent because the property needs to be insured. You want to make sure that you have covered all your bases, so that if your agreement, if your offer is accepted, then you are ready to finalize and then get a tenant, because the faster you get a tenant into your house, the faster you start making your returns, and the faster you progress in your investment journey. So after you close the property, then the last thing is you need to manage that property, and you can manage it yourself, or you can you can hire a property manager at a fee, and this may be an avenue that will help you to possibly scale your portfolio, because you don't have to do the day-to-day property management. I hope this has been informative to you. If you are looking for an investment property, we are investors, and therefore we can help you do your investments accordingly. I hope that this has been of great help to you. Please contact us in case you need any help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our Facebook page, or also visit us on our website. Thank you very much, and talk to you soon. Bye.